So after at least once, let's see example of at least. So at least and at least once are quite similar. In at least once, the default parameter is 1, but with at least we can pass number of arguments. So let's run this. Now let us see the example of at most once. This time I will check another method that is email service most once is called send email method, and it does not take any argument, so I'll remove this. So now I'll check that this send email method has been called at most once or not. It has been called. Now this interaction method has another method with at most. At most is same as at least. It takes number of arguments. So if I pass one, it will check that at most one time is called, this send email is called, it is passed. Now let us take example of never. So here I'll check that some method of booking DAO is never called when I call do booking method. So booking DAO has a method called get all method. So I'll check that this method is never called when this do booking method is called. So let's run this. So our test is green now. So friends, let us check example of verify with no interaction. So this method is a method of Mockito. This method takes a mock object. For example, I have a mock object booking DAO email service. So it just simply check that if these mocks have been interacted or not. So if I write my test like this, I can check that before calling do booking, my booking DAO and email service mock have been used or not. So for now, if I call this method or I do not call this method before verify no interaction. So you can check here that I am calling this method later after verify no interaction. So this test will get green. For now this test is green. If I call this method again after calling my method, service method, it get error. So this method says that we do not wanted any interaction with these mocks, but they get interacted. So this is how we can use this verify no interaction method of Mockito. We can check that these mocks have been interacted or not before calling this do booking. Now let us check the example of only. So in this I'll again call my do booking method and I check that only better I take this example. I'll call my method only. So this mode, this verification mode only will tell me that this booking DAO save method is only called or not. It is only called in the when we are calling do booking method. Now let us take example of in order. So Mockito in order takes a number of objects, mock object, for example, my booking DAO, my email service, and it returns me a in order object to verify that these mock object has been called in an order. So I can check in order dot verify booking DAO dot save with any class have been called. After that, I can check in order dot verify email service dot send email have been called. If I run this test now, it will get green. If I change this order, let's see what happens. It fails. Cause we are verifying our order with the help of in order object, and in order object is verifying the order of calling these methods. So this is the example of in order. I hope you understand these verify method, and we have a lot of method here in verify. Let me know if you have any doubt, any question. Please let me know in comment section. Thank you.